In the future Earth, where flying cars zip through the skies and robots were part of everyday life, there lived a young boy named James. James was a curious scientist, always inventing new gadgets in his high tech workshop. One day he came across an old dusty time machine, its gears broken and the display flickering. Determined to fix the broken invention, James embarked on a mission to gather information from the vast archives of the city's library. Armed with his trusty notepad and pencil, searching for clues about the mysterious time machine. As James pieced together the fragments of information, he discovered that the time machine was the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Excited but nervous, he knew he had to repair it to fulfill its destiny of traveling through time. As James worked tirelessly to fix the time machine, he faced an unexpected obstacle. A hidden message revealed that he needed to unlock the time machine with his fingerprint, but his fingerprint did not match any in the system. James realized he had a secret identity that even he was unaware of. Determined to uncover the truth, James set out to retrace his steps and explore the hidden corners of the future Earth. With each clue he uncovered, he grew braver. But just as he was on the brink of unlocking the time machine, a powerful technological glitch emerged as a villain of his journey. The glitch threatened and trapped him in a time loop forever. Drawing upon his scientific knowledge and inner courage, James confronted the glitch head on, using his quick thinking to outsmart the villain and restore the time machine to its former glory. With a final twist of the gears and a surge of power, the machine wheeled to life, ready to transport James through time. Filled with nervous excitement, James bid farewell to the futuristic world he knew so well, stepping into the glowing portal of the time machine. As the world around him blurred and shifted, he felt a sense of wonder and adventure unlike anything he had ever experienced. And with a final flash of light, James found himself back where he started in his workshop on future Earth, but with newfound knowledge and courage. As James reflected on his journey, he realized that sometimes the greatest adventures were the ones that led you back home forever, changed by the challenges you faced and the mysteries you solved. And so, with a smile on his face and a spark in his eye, James continued his scientific explorations.